puppies. Give me something to do.
What's next? Did you say go downhill and then go uphill, or go uphill?
Whatever's clever.
Cool.
What was Miller going to the store for?
Stuff to make quiche for tonight.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
This is it?
Brian Miller.
Nice, you got it.
It's like kind of in the back. Is that little dimple thing? It's a little farther. Yeah. And then you just slap your foot on, and then you can get up and meat hook that high thing. Yeah. Just grab all the way up. Yep. Just foot right in here.
By your knee.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
And you can just kind of smear. Yep, that's good.
That's a good foot.
Nice.
Nice.
Word.
Good job.
I just didn't hit that dimple.
Uh-huh.
Oh,